Hi guys, it's me 𝒮𝓅𝓲𝓲 here on YouTube. For today's video, I'm gonna show you keycaps that I got from Shopee that are below 600 pesos or $10 only. So for the first keycap that I'm showing you, these are the ABS Full Keycaps Profile backlit for mechanical keyboard. By the way, only the color white version is 50 pesos, the rest are 124 pesos, which is still cheap for okay quality keycaps. So these keycaps are actually for my next video, so please stay tuned for that. These keycaps are perfect for starters who just want a little pop of color on their keyboard. Just keep in mind the size of the keys on your keyboard because some keys may not fit, so please read the description of the product before checking out. So let's now proceed to the main character of our video. So this is the ABS Double Shot MSA Profiled Keycaps. These keycaps include 150 keys which can fit on almost all keyboards out there. Just check out the details to make sure it can fit on your mechanical keyboard too. This keycap set also comes with 4 different variety of colors. It comes with black and white, pink and white, green and white, and lastly, black and pink. All are linked in the description box below. The quality of these keycaps are insane. From the unboxing experience to the keycaps itself is a chef's kiss. Maybe I am a little bit biased because this is my first keycap set, but the packaging is very neat and totally worth it for its price. Even 799 pesos is still worth it for the quality that you are getting. The only downside for this set is the caps lock key. It was spelled as caps lock with a small letter K. That's why some find it annoying, but I don't mind it. So I'm gonna show you later on in this video the caps lock key that I was talking about. I will not be using the free plastic keycap puller because on some more professional reviews, they said that these pullers might scratch your keycaps. So it is advisable to use these wire pullers instead. So these keycaps and switch puller are free from my RK84 keyboard, which I have an unboxing video of. I will put the link on the description box below in case any of you are interested. But you can buy your own switch and keycap puller on Shopee as well. I will put the link in the description box below. By the way, I still struggle a lot with removing the keys, so I'm very sorry for that. So this is the caps lock key that I was talking about. For me, it's not a big issue, but for some, they might find it annoying. So it's more on a personal preference. Here's what it looks like with the RGB. what are my final thoughts on these keycaps? Keep in mind that I am new to this hobby, so my judgment is not that deep. So the first one is the quality. The keycaps are made out of thick plastic and have greater quality than the stock keycaps of RK84. It has smooth finish and it's nice to type with, and the print will not fade anytime soon. The second one is the price. It was way cheaper than other keycap set with a great quality. The third one is the packaging. It is very organized packaging, so the installment of the keycaps was smooth, although the white bubble mailer is a little bit easy to open and not much security. The box has some slight dents but not overly damaged. The fourth one is the package arrival. It took 1 week to arrive, given that it is from overseas. The fifth one is the compatibility. It is compatible to 60% case, TKL, and more keyboard because it comes with 150 keys. So you have many keys to choose from. Just keep in mind the caps lock key. Overall, I 100% recommended this keycap set because of the nice quality with a cheap price. So that is all for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!